have been doing well a bit, but energy levels, can we change the rules? No more use on the stage. Completely no more use on the stage. Kana takuya pa stage, we all wear palms. No more use on the stage. There's not even need to bring them to church because you are not. Ndikakuona uchipfeka uchichinja my heels to the palms. Unenge ustori worth kutoya ku stage. If I introduce a song, everyone stand up. There's nothing like. If you want your heels, exit by afternoon. No more heels. Completely no more heels. Hakuna mtu anaenda my heels. We all wear flat shoes. It's not voted, it's not requested, it's an instruction. No more use. If you are present worship, no more use. You buy your palms, you buy your things. If you want your use, you wear them. You get at the gate, you remove them, you wear palms. When you sit there, you wear palms. When you leave here, you wear palms. If you want use before service and after service. And one thing, guys, we need to dance. We need to dance. If we don't dance, and everyone here, you can record steps. If we don't dance, I'll introduce 10 kilometer steps every week. You need to be able to dance and sing. Not like, no, we need to be fit. Somebody say amen. Amen. Somebody repeat amen. Amen. I don't dispute use, wear them. The moment you sit there, no more use. If we finish praise, finish. When I give grace,